Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. So here's the 85 Chevy Chevette that I've been working on, and just finished the fuel pump hack. So it's like a balmy 7 degrees out here this morning here in central Wisconsin, and I went out to start the car the other day and it wouldn't start, and I just assumed that it was the fuel pump. So I wanted to talk about fuel pumps on this car. If you've ever tried to change one, it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to. It's like tucked underneath the intake. I'll show you where it's at here. It's like you gotta take, almost easier to take the engine mount out and tilt the engine over to the side. You can get at it from underneath, kinda, but it's I got big hands. I can't even get my hand in there. So what I do, my Chevette, is I run an electric fuel pump. I got this thing, the old edelbrock, for a Chevy 350. You can see the old fuel pump is way down inside here. Yeah, there's really no way to get to that side. So I just ran this in there. I'm probably gonna, it's a gravity feed pump, so it doesn't really like being up high, I noticed. So I'm probably gonna relocate it down here and then just run the tube. But that's for a different day. I got it running, which is what I wanted. Got it out of the garage. Could move it around so we can plow and stuff. But yeah, like this. I always ran my Chevettes like this, and it's pretty convenient. You know, when you go camping, you need to start a fire, you just pull your gas line off, pour it in a bucket. Poof, you got fire. You need, I usually put like a see-through filter so you can see that you got fuel going to the car, so you automatically know if you got fuel or spark or if you're having any issues. It really makes it pretty easy. This is a 4 to 7 PSI system on here, and yeah, I picked that up for like 59 bucks from O'Reilly's and slapped it in there. I got it wired on the accessory for the key, so when you hit the key, you hear the fuel pump kick on. You give it 2 pumps, and this thing fires right up like it's fuel injected. It's pretty sweet. So you got a Chevette, you need to replace your fuel pump. If it's been sitting for a long time, I highly suggest just picking up one of these, and that's the way to go. This is my first time with the Edelbrock, so we're going to try it out. I usually use like a cheap Airtex, like inline fuel pump in my old cars. They didn't make this Edelbrock Micro back then, so we're going to try it out, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.